looking for reliable plumbing inspections in St Albert? At Kingstree Plumbing, we understand that homeowners in St Albert need plumbing they can trust, especially with the challenges that come with older homes and Alberta's weather. Our plumbing inspections help prevent costly repairs and unexpected emergencies by detecting hidden leaks, corrosion, and other potential problems before they cause serious damage. Whether you're dealing with a dripping faucet or just want to ensure the long-term health of your plumbing system, we've got you covered. In St Albert, we know that factors like high water pressure and aging infrastructure can create specific plumbing challenges. That's why our team at Kingstree Plumbing provides specialised plumbing inspection solutions tailored to St Albert homes. Keep watching to see why Kingstree Plumbing is the trusted choice for plumbing inspections in St Albert.